All right, guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We are going to take a little sunset ride this evening. It's about 4:35, something like that. And I just discovered that there is a different route up to Mabalacat, so I just wanted to go out and check that out. And normally, once we get up here to MacArthur Highway, we make a right turn, and that will take us up to Mabalacat. And it's about 5 o'clock. Rush hour traffic has begun, and I'm going to check this other route out because it can be pretty tough up there once you get up to Mabiga and towards into downtown Mabalacat. I just looked at the Google map here the other day, and I think the road is open. That take us on a little swing around SM Clark, and looks on the map like a straight shot. So let's go down there and check it out. All right, so we are up by SM, and here is, kind of the road into the parking area at SM Mall for motorcycles and stuff. But this road, according to the map, goes all the way up to Mabalacat. So I just wanted to check it out. So come on, honey, let's go.
The sun is going down.
Yeah, the sun is going down. There's another building project. It's incredible with the expansion going up there at SM Clark.
Yeah, I think that building name is Alorica.
Yeah.
Alorica.
I am not quite sure, but it looks like some office buildings are coming up there of some sort.
No, it's like a call center.
Oh, it's going to be a call center?
Yeah, Alorica.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. All right, so we just went through the gate, and this road is I don't know how old it is, but it can't be that old. I remember when they started building this, maybe a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And
2 years ago, they start demolish the small houses in this area.
yeah, and
From the one that we turn right.
Right.
That's the start to demolish some
houses and
houses.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this should be a straight shot. Speed limit here is about 50 kilometers, they say. So
50 or 40.
we'll see. But watch the road, guys. Rush hour traffic going to Mabalacat. If you go up MacArthur, you can't.
You're stuck over there.
Yeah, you're stuck over there. You can't move.
Yeah.
At this speed. I'm doing about 60 or so, and
Check it out. This road. It's more convenience and less traffic.
yeah, for sure, the traffic is a lot less.
I remember when we're driving in the night, it's so cold.
Oh yeah,
You bring your jacket.
yep, it can be cold.
Yeah.
Actually, the temperatures around now has been pretty cool. Actually, I would say being in the low 70s for those of you who like Fahrenheit. And Celsius temperature is probably around 20 to 22 degrees or something, which is cold for us.
Yeah. For me, it's cold.
I'm used to 27, 28, 9 degrees Celsius. You know, temperatures in the upper 80s is not abnormal here.
It's a nice
But-
road.
Yeah, the road is really nice, and what's nice again is there is literally no traffic here, which is amazing. I think maybe people haven't even discovered they can do that, and some kids are blowing by in 70, 80 kilometers, and I'm just not one to go that fast. I've seen a couple of cops already, so I want to take it easy. They have a tendency to nail the foreigners before they nail the Filipinos when you're out riding.
Filipinos are,
Right, we saw a couple of planes just taking off from the airport. Don't know if they got into the picture, but this camera has a pretty wide angle, 170 degrees, so sometimes it doesn't pick up objects far away that well.
so what road in the left side? What way goes to?
Well,
that
that is the Esitex or whatever it's called that goes into Subic, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it goes by there.
Ah.
We did a vlog not long ago to get to Mabalacat, and we took a route through the Freeport, Clark Freeport, and the zone by the airport, and come
Yeah.
up that way. And that road goes on the other side of the highway you can see here to the left.
Yeah, that's a circle something.
Yeah, and it meets up once once we get up to Mabalacat. Those roads are coming together.
Only checked out what is it? That's a bridge.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's the bridge. Yeah,
nice.
nice bridge. So haven't gone here. They have some low barrier, 2.70 meters. I wonder if that's to
Truck are not allowed over,
to prevent trucks from coming in there.
or bus.
Buses and trucks cannot go down this way because
Yeah,
the blockage.
it's so low.
It's like 2.70 meters.
Yeah, cars and motorcycles are okay.
Yeah, it's about 6 feet or so. Oh no, between 7 and 8 feet. But that's still low. And believe it or not, we are already up close to the
Mabalacat
Mabalacat downtown area.
I think we're here.
Yeah. Well, we got to get down to MacArthur.
Yeah.
Uh,
And this area, this is start traffic also, because
Yeah.
workers from inside Clark are
Yeah, it
stopping here.
looks like this is like a transit area for
Jeepney.
jeepneys and buses.
Yeah.
They're transporting people up to this point. Then from here, a lot of them are walking, and we have a lot of traffic here. So they're going to have to fix this area at some point because it is getting backed up right here.
Yeah.
Fortunately, the motorcycle lane is not too bad. I bet we will have a little bit of a problem getting up to MacArthur Highway, but
Yeah, because that one is causing a lot of traffic.
right. But you know, from home up here, it is about 12 to 14 minutes. Little traffic on MacArthur when you're going up to SM, and then a little traffic here. But the majority of the way is just open road.
Yeah. You know what, son? I don't understand here in Mabalacat City why they don't fix the traffic light.
I don't know.
It's been like that for how many years
Yeah,
now?
but they have live traffic lights.
Yeah. No, that's a traffic enforcer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they act as traffic light. So here it's the MacArthur Highway is about, I would say, maybe 1 kilometer down or less. So here is the traffic is a little difficult, but we are in no rush, and we're gonna take it easy. I am not gonna force it, especially I had a little issues with my foot again, and it's hard to put the foot down and balance the bike. But you can see here a lot of people are walking, and they're all coming from the area inside Clark. A lot of them are probably call center agent and all that. So there's a lot of walking people down this road, and you know, this area is getting busier and busier and busier. All right, so we're creeping up here. All right, so we finally get a little movement here. Been stuck here for a few minutes. Not too bad, but we should be out by the highway in no time at this point. The traffic enforcers are busy, and in my opinion sometimes they create more trouble for the traffic than they are doing good, especially if you're going north-south on the highway. They have a tendency to hold the traffic for this lane, and here we are at MacArthur Highway. Turn left. We're gonna head up to Rivera and check out the little what do you call it, the fiesta, and
Changi, or we call it Changi, or some over there.
Yeah, they have a little market up there, and during the fiesta, you can see the sign here, they have a lot going on. So we are saying goodbye. That was a trip. I just wanted to show this little route, and we'll see you at the next video.
Yeah, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, likes, and put comments below.
All right. God bless. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.